let's look at ETH first, because ETH is almost like looking at Bitcoin dominance, but actually tradable, because we all know that historically ETH has sort of driven altcoin price action. Well, ETH is at a key resistance here, but we still have this bull pennant breakout on the weekly, which was confirmed. Bitcoin dumping, Ethereum pumping against Bitcoin. Huge signal. I've been saying this. I did an entire video on this last week on Monday when it was down here saying that, and I've been saying this forever. If you guys listen, I've always thought ETH was going to outperform Bitcoin for like the last 2 years. I've been saying that. And it has been since 2019 in September, right? It's been the far better trade with more upside. Well, now it needs to get above this 0.085901 line. And then we're talking about huge moves, another, 50% up and eventually the all-time highs. But you got to flip this level. Maybe we get some retracement, but I am very confident this will continue heading up. Ethereum looking good here, even with Bitcoin dumping. That's the reason you're seeing Bitcoin dominance saying somewhat stable and not rising, right? Here we go. Let's look at ETH versus USD. Actually, I would have called that a breakout, but we had gotten above it and lost it. So I'm not sure how significant that line is. It is, though. 1, 2, 3 touches as resistance. Break. Perfect bounce as support. Okay. So you could say that it's quote unquote breaking out. Look at this line just floating up here like a Giga Chad attached to nothing. Just out in space, floating. Yeah. But bottom line, ETH has not been that bad, right? We're at 4,400 ETH basically right now. The high is 49, and that was a couple weeks ago, right? ETH basically holding very strong. As you can see, its movement against Bitcoin has basically counteracted most of the drop that Bitcoin had. Not quite all of it. I mean, this if you had the opportunity to buy, I wasn't paying attention. I was at the club. Y'all know I was at the club, right? Man, this went down to 3,500. What a mega epic Giga Chad buying opportunity. So let's look at some of the other bigger movers that we saw that I was just going down the chart. I pulled up a few of the bigger ones. We're going to go through them very fast because I have an interview to do. In fact, I'm going to check, is that at 10:45 or 11? I don't even know. I haven't even prepared that much yet. But, I know what I want to talk to this person about. 11 o'clock.